Welcome guys in Civil Engineering Concepts channel. So today's our topic is based on Civil Site Engineering app. This app you can get on the Play Store. So why this app is good? Because this app can be able to calculate the concrete quantities, brick quantities, steel quantities. Basic civil engineering terms are also given in this app, and unit conversion. Also you can calculate the RCC slab concreting calculation. Also basic term, that is the calculation of area. So as you can see, much number of people gives 5 star out of the 5 star. So this is a Nita ma'am gives 5 star, Niranjan sir gives 5 star, then again Shiv Pratap sir gives 5 star, then again Toby ma'am gives 5 star. Some people gives 2 star because of the ads. Just status gives 5 star, and number of people's 5 star, 3 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So let's start. You can install this app and open. So concrete quantities, brick quantities, steel quantities, basic civil terms, then length converter, RCC slab calculation, and calculation of area. Those terms are involved. For calculation of brick quantities, simply you can click and there is add. But we have no problem because this app's running very smooth. Developers creates a very good kind of app. So you can calculate brick quantities in by unit of foot or meter. I choose the meter. So calculation of bricks all calculator, simply length of the all put. Suppose length of wall is 4 meter, height of wall is 3 meter, thickness we consider as 150 mm, and subtracts windows or door area. So simply we consider 1.2 meter by 2.1 meter door and 0.6 meter by 0.8 meter window. So approximately addition of door and window area is subtracted 3 meter squares. Length and height of brick with mortar is considered 200 and 100 mm. Thickness is 100 mm, and one brick price is considered is 7 rupees as per Indian standards. Basic price is 7 rupees. One cement bag is 50 kg, and quantity number is considered as a 2 wall. 2 wall is considered of 4 meter length. Then mortar ratio is kept 1:5 as it is, and one cement bag is rupees is we consider as a 300 rupees. Dry volume 1.27. So calculate. Total volume is 2.7 meter cubes. Brick cost is 9,450 rupees. Cement bags 3.8 bags required. Cement cost is 1,139 rupees. Sand is 0.7 meter cube, and number of bricks required is 1,350 rupees. So very easy to use. Simply same you can calculate the steel quantities. Steel quantities is by using unit of foot or meter. Instead of meter, this time we choose the foot meter. Simply put length time meter quantities, 1 kg price of cement in market, and get the quantities. Very easy. Then we consider concrete quantities. So concrete quantities, there are a block or round concreting block and square concreting block. We consider a square concreting block or rectangular concreting block. Concreting block is very good example for providing the machine foundation. Because of machines, for example in mechanical engineering workshops you will see the lathe machine which create very good amount of vibration while working. So this vibration is restricted in some amount to penetrate in the subsoil of the foundation and make foundation weak. Foundation blocks are we consider or designed. So without getting in depth of those concepts, we look towards slab concreting calculator. So concrete ratio we kept as per your choice. We design as per M20 concreting. For M20 concreting, cement needs 1, sand needs 1.5, and aggregate needs 3. Let's how check that. 1 for M20, 1:2, 1:5, S2 3. This is our civil engineering concept channels on the Instagram. You can check, link given in the description box. So concreting ratio is put, the length we consider as a 1.2 meter, width 1.2 meter, height is simply 1 meter. One cement bag price is 300 rupees approximately creped. Dry volume, one cement bag is 50 kg. Quantity is one foundation. 1 meter cube of concreting price approximately we kept 3500 rupees. So simply calculate within microsecond. Concrete volume is 1.44 meter cube. Concrete cost is 5040 rupees. Concrete bags required 11.6. Cement cost is need to be 3500 approximately. Sand is 0.6 meter cube. Aggregate 1.21 meter cubes. As such, these manners you can get within short times quantities those you need to find out. After that, civil terms, these are the basic terms based on the surveying, mixing of concrete, types of bridge units, site engineer, and structures. Suppose we choose the structure. So structural elements of bridge, that is the deck, superstructure, substructure, foundation, those theoretical terms are given. Suppose we choose the surveying. So in this surveying, this have adds problem, but we can consider, because we get some quality apps and some quality time saving material. So geodetic survey, plane survey, and basic short and very little. I think this is not useful because very short these are these theoretical terms. Again, if you are get confused to find out units or conversion of units, simply convert foot to meter. For example, there are number of choices are available, but just simply 30 foot, how many meters, it converts 9.14 meters means 30 foot. Simply, then calculation of area, calculation of area for squares, L into B you can put and get. For trapezoidal, this is very easy, you can check these apps. Suppose you are RCC slab concreting unit meter. So length of the slabs, suppose you put the length of slab is 4 meter, width is 3 meter. 4 meter by 3 meter, that means two-way slab. So main reinforcement is placed in both ways. Slab thickness is 150 mm. Suppose concreting ratio 1:2, 2:4. Okay, dry volume as it is. Length of space between the two bars, you can change 130 mm by 120 mm spacing between the two bars. Then again diameter, if suppose the you consider the short bar and long bar, there is no need because two-way slab both bars are you can choose while designing same size. So 60 mm by 16 mm. L bar diameter, okay, one cement bag price is 320 rupees, and 1 kg of steel price is, suppose we kept 48 rupees. Result, simply get total slab area is 12 meter squares. Total requirement of steel is 323 kgs. A total requirement of steel in tons 0.324 tons. Steel cost, then again long bar, short bar, required prices, lengths, everything is get in one click. So guys, you can check this app and consider. So thank you so much. Stay tuned and like, subscribe, share our channels. Keep supporting. See you soon. Thank you so much.